Hello everybody, welcome to Foxtecc. What we are going to go through today is how to get back your App Store on your iPhone in case you find it missing. This is somewhat of an odd issue, but don't worry about that because I have found a fix for it. Let's begin. Therefore, the App Store application may be unavailable on your smartphone, leading to a question concerning its reestablishment. One thing to note about this software platform is that unlike normal apps which can easily be deleted, iOS's App Store is a permanent feature. The absence of the App Store probably arises from restrictions put on your device settings. Here is what you should do to address this issue. Firstly, let us navigate into the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll and tap on Screen Time. In case it is enabled, then probably there will appear a prompt for you to put in your passcode for screen time. It is important to remember that this passcode is different from the one used to lock your phone device. Further down in the screen time settings, scroll to Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on this option. Possibly you may need to re-enter your screen time passcode at this juncture. Upon accessing Content and Privacy Restrictions menu, you will be presented with different choices. Next thing to do is to select iTunes and App Store purchases. There are a few choices such as installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. Touch installing apps and ensure it is set to allow so that App Store is accessible. Moreover, as you are on this page, you might also want to look at deleting apps. If you want to prevent unintentional app deletions in future, change its option to don't allow. And now let's go back to the home screen and see if the App Store icon is back. In most cases, this should fix the issue so that you can have the App Store back on your phone. If it does not show up yet, let us confirm our setting again. If the App Store still won't appear despite all these checks, restarting your iPhone will help implement any changes made while adjusting things. That's all. These adjustments will enable you get back access to App Store on your iPhone device because they are so basic but easily ignored, especially if one doesn't understand Screen Time organizes these kinds of restrictions. If this information was useful, then please give us a like below this video before hitting subscribe in order know more about what Foxtecc offers online when it comes to technology tips plus tutorials.